50th video, I thought I'd do something a little bit different for you guys. We are en route to go see the American Century. So I've offloaded the footage from the drone onto the computer. I'm going to take you through my editing process next. If you want to skip ahead to the final cut of the video, I'll have a timestamp on screen for you. Marine traffic is how I plan all my videos. You gotta watch out for what ships are coming through, how long it takes. It's also important to check out the weather. I have an app called the UAV forecast. It'll show you in a very glanceable, easy way what the cloud coverage is, what the precipitation probability is, and the main one is the wind gusts. All of my music is licensed through audio. So I just got started with a few clips in here. I've got a little bit of audio down there. I'm just going to import the different video files, and I'm just going to start cutting them down. All the transitions, I'm going to take all those out. Here I'm trying to find some compound shots. So I think orbiting around this one slowly will match very well with this one, doing the same movement from a further distance, and I'll put a little transition in there to make it smoother. So here in orange we got the intro, blue is a little bit about me editing and talking about how I set up my videos, and green is all the ship footage. I'm just going to cut that, tweak it, move it a little bit, set it to some music, and you'll be seeing that right up now.
Autumn leaves falling down low. Feel the breeze swelling so slow. But hold my hand, we'll walk down humming songs. Orange twirls all around as you're dancing along.
Missing what you never lost. Oh,
hold my hand, sit and watch the old fade away. Cycles turn as we yearn every day.
Thanks everyone for watching. As I said earlier, this will be the 50th video, so that'll be a big 5-0 by the time you see this. Let me know what you think about some behind the scenes stuff. If you want to see more of that, let me know in the comments. And get subscribed so you don't miss more ships and drone videos in the future.